Ecamm fam, it's that time again. We're back for season 3 of Marshall Creates with Ecamm. In season 1, we covered things like how to create reels using Ecamm, lower thirds, how to create LUTs, how to record course videos, and much more. In season 2, we created a ton of really cool logos for your live shows and YouTube channels. That was so much fun, y'all. Now in season 3, we're going to focus on creating an amazing show, presentation, or podcast in 3 simple steps: planning, branding, and landing. In the planning phase, we'll figure out what the show's about and what format it should take. We'll plan out your run of show and just get organized. In the branding phase, I'll be showing you how to build an entire visual brand for the show, not just the logo. And finally, in the landing phase, we'll land everything we built in Ecamm land and actually build out our run of show that we planned out. And of course, I'll be breaking everything down to make it extremely simple. So we'll be planning, branding, and landing shows for creators, podcasters, professionals, and more. So no matter where you fall, we'll have you covered. So if you're ready to elevate your show to the next level, hit that subscribe button and drop some ideas in the comments. If you haven't joined the Ecamm fam yet, it's about that time. I'm pumped up and we've crafted this season to be the dopest one yet. See you soon.